Guys, have you realized that 1688 Pindudu and his brothers are now in English language? Someone just texted me, I think last weekend. She was saying that my Pindudu is in English language, my 1688 is in English language, and she was thinking if she downloaded the wrong app. And I was like, oh, 1688 is now trying to do some rebranding. And in this video, I'm going to explain everything that you need to know about why they are um, converting or translating the Pinduoduo from the actual Chinese language into the English language. So if you are new here, my name is Brian, and this is what we usually do here. We talk about how to make money online. So on this video, we are talking about many importation, how 1688 is rebranding from its actual state to the current state that you are doing right over here. So we're going to explain everything that you are seeing on the Pinduoduo app right over here for you to know the better understanding. And if you've realized this is not the the usual look of our Pinduoduo that we were using earlier on, there are some changes in the Pinduoduo app, and I'm going to explain everything that you need to do. So please subscribe to this channel and don't forget to turn on the notification bell because I'll be posting a lot here, a lot about how to make money online will be posted here so that you will be financially stable. Yes. So without wasting much time, let's get back to the video. So 1688 is trying to rebrand, and these are some of the stuff that we've been seeing. We've been seeing on the 1688 app. So if you want to know how to create a 1688 account without no stress, I have this video which is in the comment section, which is the second link in the comment section. Simply tap on it to watch how you can create a 1688 account successfully without any stress. Very simple, very easy. So now let's go to today's agenda. So I'll take you to my phone screen and you can actually see by yourself some of the things on the 1688 app itself. So if you want to download, just go to the Google Play Store, the App Store, and download your 1688 app for yourself. So the very first thing I'm going to talk about is the currency exchange. So you can see usually we were seeing our usual yuan, yuan, but now there is an approximate US dollar equivalent. Yeah, so they are now putting the prices in US dollars. So as you can see here, this latest mattress is 1,829 yuan, which is approximately $278.02. Yes, they're trying to give us the prices of each and every product on the 1688 in dollars. So it was already in yuan, but now it is being converted in dollars for you to know that something around what you are going to pay for the product. And I think they are trying to add this particular feature where you can actually buy stuff or products from the 1688 where it will be directly shipped to your country, like they were doing overseas shipping directly to your country, something like Alibaba and Temu. You see, initially Alibaba was for international buyers, and 1688 Pinduoduo Taobao was for local Chinese people. Yes, it was made for the Chinese residents. So sometimes you anything that you buy, sometimes it's in Chinese language. Yes, because that app 1688 Pinduoduo Taobao are made for Chinese residents, and Alibaba is made for international buyers. But for now, I'm thinking 1688 is trying to expand to the African market because they've seen that Africans are buying a lot from their country. Yes, Africans, we are buying a lot from their countries. And one other thing that you could see is the language change. The language change on the Pinduoduo app. You can see everything here is in English language. Now everything here is in English language. So if you are not seeing this in English language, you're not seeing some of the features right over here on the 1688, the best thing that you can do is to go to the Google Play Store, the App Store, and you can see updates. Yes, when you update your app, you're going to see all these features and even more. As at the time of making this particular video, this is the features on the 1688 app. These are the features on the 1688 app. So if you're not seeing this, simply go to the Google Play Store, the App Store, and simply update your 1688 app. So let's open one product here and see if the reviews and everything is in English language. So let's scroll down and see something. Yes, so some products review. You have only 9 products reviews here. So let's see. Okay, so it will just translate it for you. This is the first review, second review, everything. So just translate everything from the local Chinese language to English language for you. Yes, we want to talk about them expanding everything. Let me show you something real quick here. So go to your accounts, tap on the settings icon, and you can see country or region is currently on global. And you can see some African countries right here on the 1688 app. We can see Nigeria and you can see Ghana right over here, which means 1688 is trying to do something crazier. Yes, and this might affect our mini importation some way, and it might help us in some other ways. And we are hoping the advantages will be more than the disadvantages. So when you go back here, you're going to see the language. So if your language is still in Chinese language, just use your usual way of translating it. Just come to the settings, come to language, and now you can change it to English language right over here. Simple, very easy. Change it to English language, and you can navigate and do everything right over here. Everything right here on the Pinduoduo app. So the next thing that I will talk about is the fact that you can see this icon, which is super factory. This actually means this is direct factory access or direct manufacturers. Yes, this is from direct manufacturers. So let's go down. There are some other stuff that I need to talk about, and the ratings. Initially, you were seeing the ratings when you open the products when you go to the store. That is when you're going to see either the product ratings or the store ratings. But for now, we are seeing all the ratings on the homepage. So the very first one, the rating is 5 star. So let's go down if you're gonna see some. Yes, you can see 4 star rating right over here. You can see 4.5, 3.5. You can see some ratings. You can actually see by yourself some ratings. You can actually see by yourself some ratings here being 3 star. This is 4.65 star and a lot, which can guide you on how quality or how reliable the how do I put it, the products or the merchant is. So the next thing I'll talk about is the certified merchant. You see, earlier on we were seeing just this icon, just the icon of the certified merchants on each and every product. But for now, they've written it boldly, certified merchants, boldly for each and everyone to see. So the certified merchant is like being on Alibaba. That is where you call verified supplier. So this is how it actually works when we say certified or verified supplier. Sometimes the team of 1688, Pinduoduo, or any other platform, they move to the warehouse of these suppliers. They check whatever they are doing and whatever they are posting on their platform to see if it aligns with whatever they are doing at their warehouse. Assuming Brian posted this, that I'm a manufacturer of this, and I invite Alibaba to come check my industry or my factory to come and check for my documentation, everything. So when the team comes, they check everything and you are good to go, then you'll be classified as a certified merchant. So it's sometimes better for you to be buying from certified merchants than other merchants. And always bear in mind that sometimes products from certified merchants are quite expensive than those who are not certified, or how do I put it, verified, something like that. So these are some of the changes which are made to 1688 and other people are confused. It is normal. It is normal. And I think they are trying to compete with Temu. Should I say competition or something? Because Temu is the talk of town. Everyone is saying Temu because as soon as you buy from Temu, there is no need for you to be worrying about shipping companies, shipping fees, worrying about other CBM, whatever. You just buy your stuff together with the shipping fees, then it will be shipped to your doorstep. Very simple, very easy. So I think that is what 1688 is trying to do now. And I'm thinking it won't affect us negatively. Yes, I'm thinking it won't affect us negatively. So these are basically some of the things that you need to know about the new 1688 app. And in my next video, I'm going to talk about how you can actually insert your shipping address into the 1688 app. I'm going to explain that. I don't want this video to be quite long. So if there is an option for you to buy stuffs from 1688 and being shipped overseas directly to your doorstep, and there is an update on that, I'll drop that as soon as possible. If you really want to learn importation, this is the right channel to go through. I'm always active for you. I have a masterclass for the importation. Just pay small and I'll take you through everything that you need to know about mini importation. Thank you very much for watching this. Let's meet on the next one.